Oh, his hair is like doing things. R is what? Hi everybody, welcome to my video. Welcome to my video. I actually used different lashes today. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you what my go-to look is using the original Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Anytime I reach for this palette, I always do the same exact look, so I don't know if I'm the only one who does that, but if you guys want to see more videos with me grabbing a particular palette and just showing you what my go-to look is using that palette alone, then let me know. But if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use to achieve this really simple, easy, kind of dramatic, going out, smoky-ish look, not using black makeup tutorial, then please keep on watching. So taking a little bit of salted caramel, I'm going to pop this into my crease. Now going in with Semi-Sweet, I'm going to pop this directly onto the crease. Going back in with a little bit of salted caramel, I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Taking this shade right here, I'm also using a smaller blending brush. This is my Morphe M441 brush. I'm going to add this shade directly into my crease, but bringing it onto my lid. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Black Forest Truffle, and I'm going to pack this onto my lid. Using the same brush, I'm just adding a little bit of creme brulee, and I'm going to pop this onto the center of the lid just for a little bit of light. So I cleaned that brush off really well, and I'm going back in with creme brulee, and I'm going to really pack this into my inner tear ducts. Taking the same shade, I'm also going to pop this into my brow bone area. And blending it out a little bit. Going in with Semi-Sweet, I'm going to run this along my lower lash line. So I cleaned my blending brush, and I'm just going to buff the outer edges out just so it's a more blended look, not adding any product. So I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to the center of my lid. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is Old Hollywood. Wait, is it Old? It's Old Hollywood from NYX. And I'm just applying a little bit of glitter glue onto the back of my hand. And I'm just really working this onto my fingers. I don't want it to be really, I just want a little bit of tackiness. And I'm just going to gently tap that onto the center. And going in with my finger, taking the smallest amount, and I'm keeping it in the center. Using a black eyeliner, I'm going in with Smolder to line my waterline. So I lined my eyes with my NYC Liquid liner. For my waterline, I used MAC's Smoldering eyeliner. For my lashes, I used Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And my lashes, I went in with my Koko lashes in Queen Bee. To highlight my entire face, I'm going in with Saleha Beauty's Give Me Glow, and this is in Hollywood Glow. This is what it looks like. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush. So I'm just going to use a very small amount just to brighten up my inner tear ducts. Going in with my Pleasure Model blush from MAC. I'm just going to apply this on the apples of my cheek and just bring it out. So the last step is going to be my lips, and I'm going to go in with my NYX Brown Lip Liner. It's just the regular brown lip liner. This was like $3. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Stunna lip paint and Unbutton. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this where I grab one of my palettes and show you what my go-to look is using that specific palette, then let me know and I will be more than happy to film that for you. And as always, all the product details will be listed below for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.